Hey, Josh, there's a question here specifically aimed at you. Talked about you. Josh mentioned about offering users uh, reward points on your card system
Oh yeah.
to purchase vending from vending machines. Is
Uh-huh.
that implemented through the card system or a specific kind of vending machine, is what they're asking?
Okay, yeah, no, what is so the fast card reader, which I think that now the F2 and my new stores are F3 readers. They literally,
Yep.
I bought vending machines. I have multiple brands. I bought most of them from vending.com. I've had the best, whatever. I have Vendrite and whatever, but on all of them,
Yeah.
I just installed the actual fast card reader directly on the vending machine. And when I call
Hmm.
fast card, they actually have a wiring harness that goes to like 99% of vending machines. And then you just set it basically on the system, it reads just like if it were a washer or dryer, and you just program it, and it just automatically knows. So yeah, I mean,
Okay.
it's not through fast card, but you put your fast card reader on the actual, on the actual machine. Hopefully that's what you were looking for.